Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2020 Ford Edge and I will show you how to use remote starter. This video will apply to Ford Edges made from 2015 all the way up to 2024. Okay, now here is the button for the remote start. You're supposed to press it twice and the engine should start, but if I do that, nothing happens, even if I don't sit in a car and the car is locked. So what you have to do, you have to press the lock button once and then twice this button for the remote start. And the engine will start, right? So that's how you use it. And now if you want to shut it off, you just press this same button twice again. And I will also show you how to change the settings for the remote starter. Now you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel, and you will be looking here at the instrument cluster screen. So I want to press the left button to enter the menu, go down to settings, press OK, select vehicle, OK, and remote start. And here you have a couple of different options. You can set different duration, 5, 10 or 15 minutes. You can select if you want heated seats to be engaged, and climate controls. You can also set it up by yourself. So before you turn off the vehicle, you want to set it up to the highest and to the windshield, I guess. If you select auto, then the vehicle itself will change the settings based on the conditions. And that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.